This 2025 Keystone Cougar 316 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features a Midnight Edition interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, Skylight, TV, spare tire kit, external shower, air conditioning, DVD player, water heater, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 316 RLS is 10,679 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.